back to my channel, Queen Elle16. Today we will be making a delicious whipped Nutella drink. So it's my version because it's usually made with coffee, but I don't drink coffee, so I'm making it out of soy milk, Nutella, and heavy whipping cream. So let's get started. First, we need to get a whole spoonful of Nutella, chocolate goodness. And then it has to be like a good whole spoon of Nutella. So that's probably enough, right? Yeah, probably. So about this is enough.
Again. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Next, we need to pour 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream into the bowl of Nutella. And then just pour it into the bowl of Nutella. Whip the heavy whipping cream with the Nutella. And at first you have to start like slowly, and then okay, so we have our Nutella whipped cream to our consistency.
Show them the consistency.
So this is mostly what the consistency should be. It should stick to the whisk or the mixer or whatever you have that can mix whipped cream. And next, you have to take a cup. I prefer a large cup like this, more of a round one. And then you're gonna take a spoon, dip it back in your Nutella, but only get the back of it. Like this. And then you're gonna spread it around the edge of the cup, like this. Make sure to actually like spread it around the cup. Now that we have our Nutella spread all around the cup, we can decorate it. Whoa, and you have to be careful. Now I'm gonna put the beads on. So I'm just gonna open this and place it like that. Now we need to pour our milk. I have soy milk, so you can use whatever type of milk you want. You can use chocolate milk, strawberry milk, regular vanilla milk. I don't care. You can just use it. Pour that.
That's good.
Next, we have to scrape the whipped cream into the milk. So, and then I'm just gonna keep on putting it in here. And also make sure you have enough whipped cream to fill it up as much as you want. So now I'm gonna try the drink and see if it's actually good and I made it right. So. That's horrible.